So in this video, I'm going to be discussing impulse momentum to increase performance. The equation for this is impulse equals times the force equals mass times velocity. And if you increase the force, it decreases the amount of time that the force will be absorbed. And also a change in momentum equals the impulse applied to it. So basically what all that means is greater impulse or force will lead to a greater change in momentum. A good example for impulse momentum to increase performance is having weightlifters use flat bottom shoes. This is an example that we discussed in class, especially when they are doing squats to make them more efficient. They will use hard shoes rather than like squishy tennis shoes. Because the hard shoes help more force be applied when they are lifting weights, and having the more force applied allows the force to then be greater, so that means that the momentum will also be greater.